Stop wolfing down your meals, start savoring each bite instead. Mindful eating isn't just a trend, it's a transformation. Ever find yourself munching mindlessly while scrolling through your phone? You're not alone. Here's a quick dive into mindful eating, and why it could be a game changer for you. Mindful eating is all about being present with your food. It's the art of noticing the colors, smells, textures and flavors in every bite. Why does this matter? Well, it slows you down, helps you enjoy meals more and listen to your body's hunger cues better. This means no more overeating and a happier, healthier gut. Plus, it's super simple to start. Next meal, turn off the TV, put down your phone, and really pay attention to your food. You might just find you feel fuller with less food. So, ready to give it a try and see how it changes your mealtime vibes? Let's eat mindfully and transform our relationship with food.